said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the last.
Hey guys, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to install a web server on a virtual machine. I'm using a Ubuntu server on Linode cloud, but the steps will be the same for any cloud virtual machine you are using. So first of all, you should know what is a web server. A web server is a software that delivers website on internet. Okay, so anyone can access whatever you put on the website. So the most popular web server is Apache web server. So to install that Apache web server, we have to connect to our virtual machine. So as you can see in the dashboard, I have created the Ubuntu web server. You can connect using PuTTY, or if you are using Linux, then you can use the terminal. Mac with the Mac will be the same. For Windows, you can use different third-party app like Termius. It is free to use. So whenever you open the app, just click on new host, then put the IP address, the public IP address that will be available on your cloud dashboard. Copy and paste the IP address. You can put the label that would whatever you want to put, you can do that, like Apache web server. Okay, then use the username that is provided to you. So for in Linode, they by default provide root access as and that will be the username as well, and the password you have to create by yourself. So I put the password here. Just now need to connect and click on add and continue. Okay, and now we are connected. So let's start with the one by one steps. So guys, first of all, we had to update the system. For that, you had to use command sudo apt update and hit enter. Okay, so the update fetch is completed. Now we had to upgrade the all packages. For that, again use the same command sudo apt. Okay, this time we had to use upgrade instead of update and hit enter. It will prompt if you want to install or not, like do you want to continue. So type Y and hit enter. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So guys, during the update, if you are getting this prompt, just hit tab and hit enter. Now the upgrade process is completed. Now we are going to install the Apache web server. For that, we are going to use the simple bash command, that is apt install Apache 2 and hit enter. It will again prompt you, do you want to continue? To type Y and hit enter again. The Apache web server is now installed, and you can check on your system using the command systemctl status Apache 2. And if you see active and running, that means the web server is smoothly running. So we can check using the IP address that was provided to us from the cloud services. Paste it in your browser and hit enter. So you see the Apache web server is working, and we can put a wonderful index page on your like web server. Suppose, so first of all, how we can edit this index page. So you have to locate your uh, the directory of the index.html page. So as you can see on this page, you will find the location. So what you need to do, just change the directory to HTML. So use cd and paste the command here, paste the directory here. And hit enter. Okay, you will see the index.html page. Here you can use nano to edit the index.html page, and here you can change the document whatever you want. Okay, let's generate a web page using ChatGPT. ChatGPT generated a HTML code. Now we are going to paste it on index.html page. Since we are using terminal, the editing will be very like hard. So what we are going to do, delete this index.html page and we are going to create the new one. So to delete this index.html page, we are going to use the command rmr index.html page. Let's see. So it's now deleted. Now again we are going to use nano command, nano index html index.html and hit enter. It will open a blank new file. Now paste the code here. So guys, now we paste all the code from the ChatGPT. Now type Control X and hit enter. And let's see the index page. Here you can see. So I think we pasted twice, so it's showing doubles. So now our web server is running. Since we haven't installed PHP, so it's showing not found. Neither the phpMyAdmin, neither the WordPress, so it's showing the same error. So that's it for the installation of the Apache web server, and in the next video we are going to explore how you can install the PHP and the MySQL database and the other applications like WordPress or other CMS. So that's it guys for the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better